God is your source. He has the final say. But Joel, it's difficult to stay committed to my job, committed to my marriage, committed to this dream. Nothing's going my way. If it was easy, everyone would do it. God chose you because He knew you can handle it. You have the courage, the strength, the talent, the anointing. You're not weak. You're not lacking. You are full of can-do power. You didn't come this far to stop now.
Hey, how you guys doing out there today? Thank y'all for getting to this video. In this video, I just want to explain to you why a lot of you all are failing at MCA. The main reason, there's only one reason I can see. It might be another more, but one reason. Because you're not treating it like a business. Come on, people. You got in because you wanted to make some money. Or you probably got in because you just like the benefits. But if you got to this video, you wanted to make more money with MCA. And the only reason is because you're not treating it like a business. Man, that's it. You actually have to get in the business mindset. You're going to have to do things that you're not going to want to do. Things are going to be very uncomfortable for you, especially if you're just now starting off. If you never made money online and you got with MCA, this was a great start for you because it teaches you how to run a business. And especially if you get with a team like us, we teach you just that, to run the business. So I don't know who you signed up under, but I know if they're a good person, they definitely showed you their training. They gave you the information, and that's all they were supposed to do. That's all sponsors are supposed to do, is just give you the training. Because they either just gonna point you in the right direction, or they're gonna give you their blueprint for, saying how they made their money. They're gonna give you all the systems. They're gonna give you all the strategies, because that's what we give you, because we want to see you win. But a lot of y'all are just taking like 30 minutes to look at it and just saying, I ain't made no money yet. Or it take you a week and be like, I ain't made no money yet. Or even a month, 2 months, you be like, I ain't made no money yet. Because this is a business. You actually have to really educate yourself, especially if it is something new for you. Like I said, you have to educate yourself. You're going to have to spend time on it. It's just like going to school, like going to get a bachelor. You don't know how to get there. So you got to start off day one, learn. Day two, learn, and stay learning. You know what I'm saying? It might take you 4 years, but you got that degree, and I guarantee you, you're going to be better off than you were today. So, man, and what's another good thing about MCA Motor Club of America promoting online is the stuff that you learn, you can apply the same day, people. You ain't got to wait until this, until that. You can do it that day. After you watch a video, you can apply it that right then and there. But a lot of y'all don't do that. A lot of y'all don't even take notes. You got to take notes. You got to learn. You got to study people. You got to, y'all making excuses because you're not treating it like a business. And another main thing is you're not investing. You got to invest. Now, you can make money off MCA with a lot of free stuff, just using free stuff like Facebook and, posting everywhere. You can do a lot of stuff and really make some money off of it. If you don't put in no effort, you can eventually make a sale. But imagine if you put in a lot of effort and a lot of time, a lot of blood, sweat, and tear, and invest. You can make, about 10 sales a day. That's $800 a day. But you got to be willing to do that. And because you got to educate yourself. I started out the same way. I ain't really have a sponsor. My sponsor, I signed up. My sponsor called. I missed this call. I called back. And then I've been calling back for that next 2-3 weeks. And, he didn't pick up. So I'm like, well, damn. But I knew I had to treat it like a business. I knew I had to go get a website. I knew I had to go get an email and marketing system. I knew I had to structure my pages correctly so I can be able to, be on the platform so people can see my opportunity. That's all I did, and that's all we teach. But, if you ain't got that, if you don't got our training, you still got YouTube, you still got Google, you still got, any search engine. You can search anything. You can search how to make $1 million. They gonna give it to you, or they gonna give you a lot of information, but I guarantee you're gonna have to invest. You're gonna have to invest, because it's a business. And you gotta, like I said, treat it like that. I can't stress that enough. That's why a lot of y'all are not winning. And then y'all promoting the wrong way. Promote the right way, man. Be honest with it. And then when you sign people up, give them the training or guide them. Don't just leave them well off. you know. But if you give them the training, your job is done, because it's only on them to, you know, take the information and run with it, you know, because exactly what you're doing with it. So, man, go through your trainings, learn it, stay learning. Always be willing to learn, because if you an entrepreneur or you in business, you're going to be learning something every day, guaranteed. So, you know, if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right? Peace.